You're tired of trading time for money. You see people making passive income, selling ebooks, courses and templates while they sleep, and you're wondering, how do they do it? More importantly, can you do it too? The answer is yes. Right now, you can create a digital product once and get paid repeatedly, without chasing clients, constantly posting content, or being stuck in a never-ending hustle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and sell ebooks, courses, and templates, even if you're starting from scratch, have no audience, or think nobody will buy from you. And I get it. When I started, I thought, who would pay me for something I had created once? But once I learned the formula, everything changed. Now I want to help you do the same. Let's start with why digital products are the best way to make money online. Unlike services, where you must trade time for every dollar, digital products allow you to work once and sell forever. That means no more working hourly, no more booking calls, and no more stress about filling your schedule. And the best part? The overhead and profit margins are low, and you don't need a massive following to make money. The biggest mistake people make? Thinking they don't have anything valuable to sell. If you've ever helped someone solve a problem, organizing their schedule, designing graphics, or even sharing advice on something you love, you already have something worth selling. So let's get into the step-by-step process of creating and selling ebooks, courses, and templates. Step 1. Pick the right digital product for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so let's break it down. Ebooks are perfect if you love writing, breaking down processes, or creating how-to guides. They work best if you want passive income with minimal upkeep. Courses are best if you want to go deeper, teach a transformation, and make high-ticket sales. Templates are fantastic if you can create something that people can plug and play with, such as social media templates, website layouts, or budgeting spreadsheets. Pick one that aligns with your skills and what you enjoy creating. Step 2. Validate your idea before you create. Before you spend weeks making something nobody buys, you need to validate your idea. Here's how. Research what's already selling. Visit Etsy, Gumroad, and Udemy. If people are buying your product, that's a good sign. Ask your audience. Even if you have a small following, run a poll or ask, what's your biggest struggle with your niche? Their answers tell you what they need. Pre-sell it. Before creating the product, create a landing page and collect pre-orders. If people buy before it exists, you know it's a winner. Step 3. Create your digital product. Now, let's talk about how to create your ebook, course, or template. For an ebook, write in Google Docs or Canva. Keep it simple, clear, and actionable. Nobody wants to read a 100-page book. Format it with Canva so it looks professional. Export as a PDF. Done. For an online course, outline your lessons. Make it easy to follow. Record videos using Loom, Zoom, or your phone. You don't need fancy equipment. Upload to Teachable, Gumroad, or Podia for automatic selling. For templates, use Canva, Notion, or Google Sheets to create designs people can customize. Save it as a template link so buyers can use it instantly. Offer a mix of free and paid templates to drive sales. Step 4. Set up your sales funnel. Now that you have your product, you need a way to sell it without constantly promoting it manually. Here's the most straightforward funnel. Create a landing page using Stan Store, Gumroad, or Shopify. Offer a freebie, like a checklist or mini template, to collect emails. Then automate an email sequence that nurtures and sells for you. This way, even when you take a break, your sales keep coming in. Step 5. Market and sell your digital product. You don't need thousands of followers to make sales. You need a strategy. Here's what works. Create short-form video content. Create faceless reels or TikToks sharing quick tips related to your product. End with, want this done for you? Grab my ebook or template. Pinterest marketing. Pin images of your product with SEO-optimized captions so people find them months later. Email marketing. Collect and send regular value-based emails with a call to action to buy your product. The goal is consistent visibility. The more people see it, the more sales you make. Success story proof this works. I had a student who started with zero audience but created a simple ebook on Instagram growth for small businesses. She followed these steps. Pre-sold it, marketed with TikToks, and within 6 weeks she made $5,000. Another client sold Canva templates, priced them at $27, and turned her side hustle into a 5-figure monthly income without showing her face. This isn't luck, it's a repeatable system. So now you know exactly how to create and sell ebooks, courses, and templates, even if you're just starting out. And here's the thing, the most challenging part is just starting. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need fancy tools. You definitely don't need a massive audience. What you do need is action. Here's what to do next. Save this video so you can come back to it when you start creating. Pick one idea and start today. The only difference between you and the people making money online is that they took the first step. Now it's your turn. Let's make it happen.